Hey guys, me here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do two different types of hair bows. One is subtle and the other is poofy. So if you want to learn how to do these looks, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to show you the ribbon style bow, and to get started, you want to pick up some hair on both sides of your head and then put them aside. By the way, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so all my future videos can get to your inbox. I know some of you are subscribed, but you haven't been seeing my new videos, and that's why. So back to the tutorial, you want to pick up the remainder of your hair and tie it into a ponytail. Then pick up a small section of hair on top and braid it into a regular 3-strand braid. And make this braid about 3 inches long. You don't have to braid it all the way, and you'll see why later. When it's about this long, you can tie it off with an elastic band. Next, you want to insert this braid back inside your ponytail. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use my trusty topsy tail and stick it into my ponytail. Then I'm going to pull the braid through the loop and pull it through. Now, if you don't have a topsy tail, you can still do this hairstyle. All you have to do is make a loose ponytail so that you can stick your finger back through the hair tie and pull that braid back down. So here I am kind of struggling because I tied the hair tie pretty tight. But once you get it through, it should look like this. And next, you want to pull out the braid a bit to create a loop so that your index finger and your thumb can go through it. Now, pick up one of the sections of hair that you put aside earlier, and then you want to fold it like so. And using your index finger and your thumb, you want to pull it halfway through the loop. And this is going to create half of the bow. Then do the same on the other side. Pick up your hair and with your other hand, insert your index finger and your thumb through the braided loop and pull that section of hair through. But you don't want to pull it through all the way, just create another loop so that you'll have the appearance of a bow. Now you want to look for the end of the braid and pull down on it. What this will do is it will tighten the loop and secure the bow in place. Remove the elastic band that was holding the braid together because it's not needed anymore. And you can fix your bow by pulling it out a bit more and insert 2 bobby pins in the center if you want them to be extra secured. So here's the completed look. It's subtle and wearable for every day, and if you like it and decide to give it a try, don't forget to take a picture of it, upload it to social media, and tag me so that I can like your picture too. The second bow uses a different technique, so the bow will look a little bit poofier and it could be bigger depending on your preference. First, tie your hair into a ponytail, and it can be high or low, it's up to you. Then grab an elastic band and pick up a section of hair from your ponytail. Now, depending on how big your bow is, you can pick up more hair or less. So if you want a big bow, pick up more hair, but I want a medium-sized bow, so I'm picking up this much. Then take your elastic band and tie it around that section of hair once, and then create a little loop like so, and this will be one side of the bow. Then twist the elastic band a couple of times and create a loop with the remaining section of hair. And to do this, just pull it through, but not all the way. Adjust the bow to your liking. You can make it as big or poofy as you like, and I'm just going to pull it out a bit more to make it a little bit bigger. Then using your index finger, push the base of the bow to the back of your head and secure it in place with 2 bobby pins. If you want your bow to be secured, you want to place 1 bobby pin on top and 1 at the bottom, so there should be a total of 4 bobby pins. To create the center of this bow, I'm going to take my topsy tail and insert it through the ponytail. Then pick up a section of hair from the ponytail itself, insert it through the loop of the topsy tail, and pull it through. Again, if you don't have a topsy tail, just make your ponytail loose enough so that you can pull your hair through it. But if you love watching hair tutorials, definitely invest in a topsy tail because it's a very handy tool to have. And I'll put a link to where I got mine in the video description below. So here's what the second bow looks like. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Ciao! Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to see future videos. Also, feel free to check out my previous hair tutorials.